Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check downloaded files on an iPhone. Locate and tap on the Files app icon on your iPhone's home screen. Once you're in the Files app, you will see several options, including Browse and Recents. Tap on Browse to access your files. In the Browse section, you will find locations such as iCloud Drive, On My iPhone, and other connected cloud storage services if you have any. Look for a folder named Downloads under the On My iPhone section. This is where downloaded files are usually stored by default. Tap on the Downloads folder to open it. Inside, you will see a list of files you've downloaded using various apps or browsers. Browse through the list to find the file you're looking for. You can tap on the file to open and view it. You can organize your downloaded files within the Files app by creating folders, moving files, or deleting them as needed. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.